We've seen during the last years many manufacturers looking for different solutions to automate the way they do things. We realized that manual acquisition was still ongoing in many industries, so we developed solutions to automate that process. So instead of spending time in collecting data, we collect the data automatically. We even analyze the data and we provide prescriptive information to maintenance, to operations, to reliability units to be more efficient and run the plants smoother, more efficient, and avoid any unscheduled shutdown and reduce emissions. Good practice is first looking at the assets you have on site and understanding the criticality of the assets. So once you understand the criticality of the assets and the failure modes of the assets, is analyzing which are technologies available in the market that could avoid those assets to failure. Also, the industry in general, they have many silos of different technologies, so this creates inefficiency. So having common platforms, unify and break those silos, make customers to be more efficient.